Hi everybody, this is Roland on Roland's Reviews right here on Amazon with the Garvey Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. This thing is awesome. It has a 130-minute runtime, self-parking technology. It's efficient and portable and works great. Here is our pool. It just did about an hour and 30 minutes, about 130 minutes of cleaning, so about 2 hours of cleaning, and it's done a very, very good job. Easy to use. You plug it in on the back, then there's an on and an off. Very simple. You just put it right in the pool and just let it do its thing. It has these little wheels on it, but it's not the wheels, it's like over here, these flopper things here sucking the water. It does a really nice job. Easy to use, portable, and I don't need a pool cleaner anymore. So we're going to just use this Garvey Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. It's awesome. Comes in different colors. Check it on Amazon. We have a lot of Garvey products and they always are high quality, work great. 5 stars, worth the money. Get it on Amazon and get your pool clean for the summer. Thank you.